Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Acharima. Thanks for joining me and thank you so much for being part of this Kikuyu channel. I hope you had a beautiful and amazing Christmas. I want to wish you all still a Merry Christmas even if it's past, and a prosperous new year. And I hope you really enjoyed the past few days and you are also looking forward to a new year. And yeah, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I am here today to speak about 3 reasons why you must pay dowry for a Kikuyu woman. 3 reasons why you have to pay dowry for a Kikuyu woman. So, if you are at home, get yourself comfortable as usual. Get something to drink, your cup of water, a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, whatever you wish, and let's get started. So before we start, I'm gonna sip my cup of tea. Wow. Yeah, and let's get to point number 1. Now, well, as I mentioned before, we are going to learn about 3 reasons why you must, as a man, you must pay dowry if you want to marry a Kikuyu woman. You must. That is the Kikuyu tradition. Those are the cultures. And in the Kikuyu culture, when a man decides to marry a Kikuyu woman, and the family or the Kikuyu, the background of the woman practices the traditions, you as a man, you must. I have to insist on this because there have been many discussions, especially from people outside other tribes and other races, that come with reasons projecting why you shouldn't pay dowry. But I have to say that for the sake of our traditions, it is very important that we respect each and every person's tradition. And that's why, as a man intending to marry a Kikuyu woman, you must pay dowry. And that's what we call Ruracio. People have most probably heard of this word, Ruracio. It's all over YouTube. It's even in my video, I think I've spoken about that. So we are just going to look at the reasons why Ruracio is very important and why, as a man, you must pay dowry for the Kikuyu woman. Now, number 1 reason is it is a sign, and this is a sign for the woman that nothing can shake the union, and it's like a sealed deal, and this gives assurance to the woman, and the woman has no right to move out or to go out looking for other guys or to date outside. Once the dowry is paid, it's done. It's over. It's over. Done. Sealed deal for the woman. Nothing is allowed. No dating outside. No seeing other people. It's over. Like, you must stick to your man. You must stick to your husband. Once the dowry is paid, the Kikuyu tradition does not allow the woman to date outside, to see other men, or to go and look for someone else. Once the dowry is paid, nothing can shake you. Nothing can come inside that union. It's already sealed, it's official, and this, like I said, it gives the woman an assurance that this man is officially your husband. This man is the one. And from now on, no relationships, no courting, no, flirting here and there, nothing. Once the man or the guy has paid your dowry, you as a woman, it's a call that you must stick to that man. It's a confirmation. It gives you affirmation. Remember, in the Kikuyu traditions, the man is allowed to marry more than 2 wives. On the other hand, the woman is prohibited to do so. That means the woman cannot marry 2 men. So, when the guy or the man has paid your dowry when the man has paid your dowry, that means this is the man for you forever and ever. And nobody is supposed to come inside that union to claim you or to get you out or to remove you. And you as a woman, nothing. You are not allowed by the traditions to move out of that marriage anyhowly. I hope we are together. Now, number two reason is it shows the society, the community, that the man has found the one. The man has a serious intention with that woman he is paying dowry for. So, once he has paid or he has decided he'll pay your dowry, it shows he's not a joker. He's not here to play around. Rather, it shows the community that this man is coming out confidently, and he has already made his firm decisions that this is the one. This is my woman. This is my future. This is the future mother of my kids or my future partner. So, once he has paid the dowry, the society gives him he gains respect automatically, because not everybody can pay dowry for you. Not every man that wants you or dates you will pay dowry for you. But once there's that one man who has come out and has made it known to the family that he is interested in you, he's paying dowry in you, then he gains respect automatically from the family, from the society, and it's clear from there on that this guy is not a joker. This guy is serious. He shows his serious intention with the woman, that he is going to keep her. He is going to keep her forever, or maybe until death do them part. Now, number 3 reason. The reason as to why it's very important, and also why as a man you must pay dowry for the woman, is once you have paid dowry for the woman and her kids, or the kids that he owns, automatically belongs to the family of both the man and the woman. So the kids automatically are recognized by the family, and you yourself, you become part of the family of your husband. You get automatically, you get recognition automatically. You gain it automatically once the dowry is paid. So, for example, now, let's say, for example, nowadays, we have so many cases are going on that, okay, let's say, for example, you are married by a man and the guy apparently just dies. So, this guy had not paid your dowry. What happens? The family comes in, the family of the husband, of the late husband, comes in and starts kicking you out. They start just making cows, and they start kicking you out from the home. They start claiming the properties or the belongings or whatever you had, just because the guy had not paid dowry for you. That means no one recognizes you. Your dowry was not paid. You are not recognized. So the family has a right to kick you out once your husband has died. Let's say, this is just an example. And let's say, for example, you are kicked out by the relatives and you go out. You had maybe kids from the previous marriage. The kids as well are not recognized by the family of the late husband. So that means once this woman finds another man to marry her, what happened? What happened is this, once the woman finds someone else to marry her, the new husband, let's say, for example, the new husband immediately pays dowry for her. The children from the previous marriage automatically belong to him. So that means even if the family from the previous late husband family came and started claiming their kids back, they will not have any right, because automatically once the new husband pays dowry for you and you came with kids from a previous marriage, it means the kids automatically belong to this man, and they are fully and legalized, recognized as part of the family of the new marriage, or the new family of the husband. So even if you gave birth to other kids, let's say you give birth to 2 kids and these kids belong to the new husband, that means the 2 kids and the kids from the previous marriage, all of them, they move automatically to this new husband because he has paid dowry for you. Now, everything automatically comes to be one. You are fully recognized. You become one because your dowry was paid. And this is very, very important. Ladies and gentlemen, this brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are able to come along with me. If you have any questions, any suggestions, or you have some comments, don't forget to drop down the comment section. And I want to wish you all a good and a happy new year, the year 2021. I hope you're going to see us in that year. And yeah, take good care of yourselves. Stay safe and goodbye.